Telegram stores files on your computer or phone when you use it. Telegram uses these files in its cache to speed up loading shared photographs and videos. Clearing your Telegram's cache might free up space, improve privacy, or fix app bugs. It takes a few clicks or touches depending on your device to clear cache on Telegram. Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to clear Telegram cache on phone. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open Settings on your device. Scroll downwards. Tap on Apps. Tap on Search icon. Search for Telegram. Tap on Telegram. Click on Storage. Now click on Clear Cache. There you go. The simple steps will show you how to clear Telegram cache on phone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.